The caterpillar is protecting these cocoons with its life. But are they really its own young? They are not. This caterpillar is not alive, but it is not dead either. A wasp called Glyptapanteles turned it into something far worse. First, its own body will feed the wasp's children. Then, it will defend those larvae with its life, a living shield. She injects her eggs into its body. The larvae eat it from the inside, then chew through its skin to get out. But the caterpillar does not die. It guards the cocoons. It spins silk over them. It fights off predators. So ask yourself, what happens inside a host that has forgotten it died? Glyptapanteles is a parasitoid wasp, and to escape its own responsibility, it evolved an unbelievable manipulation, a zombie babysitter. A female lands on a caterpillar and stabs it. A needle-thin ovipositor passes through the skin and injects dozens of eggs, maybe 80. Normally, the caterpillar's immune system would wrap those eggs and capsule them at once, stopping them, but it does nothing at all. So why? The wasp injects a virus at the same time, a polypnavirus produced in her own ovaries. Its job is not to make the caterpillar sick. It is to shut down the immune system. Without it, the caterpillar's blood cells would destroy every egg. The virus turns its body into an incubation chamber. The eggs hatch, the larvae feed, but they never touch the vital organs, not the heart, not the nervous system. They eat fat and blood, the tissue the caterpillar can live without, because a dead host is a dead incubation chamber. Then, in almost perfect coordination, they line up and chew their way out through the skin. The caterpillar is still alive, writhing, but it does not die. Not yet. The larvae spin cocoons beside their host, and the caterpillar does what no healthy caterpillar would do. It stops. It arches its body over the cocoons. Then it spins silk, a protective tent over the things that ate it. When a predator approaches, the host attacks. It thrashes, swinging its head until the threat backs off. Caterpillars with nothing to protect simply crawl away. The manipulated one stays and fights for hours until it collapses. And the cocoons with a zombie babysitter survive twice as often as those without. This is exactly the part we cannot explain. How does a brainless larva force its host to protect its own killer? A signal, chemical or mechanical, reverses the behavior and holds it there. The caterpillar never becomes a moth. It dies, protecting the children of another species. One thesis proposes this. As the larvae leave, one or two may stay behind, deliberately. They never spin a cocoon. They never survive. They stay inside the caterpillar and keep pulling the strings. A tiny suicide squad left in the body to drive it. So the next time you see a caterpillar frozen on a leaf, ask who is really in control. The deadliest predators are not the ones you can see. They are the ones living inside. Subscribe. The next one is worse.